Here we go. Thank you. Okay. Blue, it's colour blue, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, you got some yellow.
Help.
Help? We'll just do one colour at a time. We've got some blue. There we go. What, you don't want to do blue? Do you want to do blue? Let's do blue. So we'll roll it out. What about rolling it out with this?
Yeah.
Good idea. So let's put the other colours over here on the side. So we've got yellow, blue, orange and green. But you've gotten the blue out, so let's put the blue Play-Doh down here on the table.
There.
Put the blue Play-Doh on the table. Put it down here. Now here's your roller. Can you roll it out?
Yeah.
Oh, lovely.
Daddy.
Will Daddy have a go? So we'll roll it. What if we do a little bit of rolling like this with our fingers? Okay, now do you want to do a little bit of rolling? You do a bit of rolling? Have you got your rolling song? What is Oh, that's a lovely song. Do you want to do a bit of rolling and show Daddy your rolling song? Or other way round. Other way round. That's it. What have we got? That's a teddy bear, I think. So push it in. Wow. Push it all the way in. Nice and hard. All the way down. Okay, I think we'll be able to do a couple of them. Oh, this one came out. Let's have a look at our teddy bear. Ta, there we go. There's your teddy bear. Okay, what about this one? Let's do another one. Marley, push this one down. Yeah, push it all the way down. Now we'll pull it out. And we've got another teddy bear. Another teddy bear. Okay, here we go. Here's your teddy bear. Oh, you're going to put it on the back of your egg flip. Oh, it's in the pot. Oh, there's a heart in there as well. We've got 2 teddy bears in the pot now, don't we? Teddy. Are you singing Teddy? Teddy? Is that what you're singing? Teddy bear. Oh, good throw. Went in the pot. We can probably get some more out of this. Would you like to do a love heart?
No.
No love hearts. More teddies? Here's the teddy bear. Do you want to do another teddy bear? Oh, you're doing a love heart. Push it down. No, really hard. All the way to the bottom. Now pull it out. Pull it out. Oh, a heart. Do you want to do another heart? Let's do another one. Let's do another one just there. Push it down really hard. Good job. Push it down. A bit on this side. There we go. Now pull it out. Oh, let's have a look. Oh, we've got 2 hearts. Can Daddy have a look at one of those? I think there's a song called 2 Hearts. Oh, lovely. This one's even got a little bite out of it. Wonder what it means if your heart has a bite out of it. You want this one? There we go. So, are we putting them in the pot? You putting it in the pot? So we've got 4 total pieces of Play-Doh in the pot. 2 teddy bears and 2 hearts. What's next, Marley? Oh, you're going to roll again, are you? Oh, it's a bracelet. Oh. Okay, so let's roll it up into a bit of a ball. Yeah. A ball?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, so now you're going to roll it out. So sing your rolling song. That's a lovely song. What about with 2 hands? Can you use 2 hands? Roll it out. Oh, very strong. Daddy, have a go? Daddy, help you out? You can roll both ways. So you can roll a little bit this way and then a little bit that way.
Yeah.
That's right. So what are you going to do this time? Oh, another heart. Push it down nice and hard. Heart nice and hard. Oh, it's got a fingerprint in it. Oh, Marley putting fingerprints in the heart. Oh, lovely. Let's have a look. Oh, it's like a face. Let's have a look. It looks like E.T. It looks like E.T. Do you like that? So what are we doing now, Marley?
Blue.
Blue Play-Doh?
Blue.
Oh, there's a little bit on your finger. Oh no, there we go.
Blue.
I like it. And there's a heart in your Play-Doh. There's a heart, and we can see Marley through the heart.
Ew.
We can see you through the heart, Marley.
Ew.
Help? There we go. Have you got a bracelet?